Walking through the caves and finding this amazing underground trampoline centre was an experience of a lifetime. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how we got there and the whole experience of that.
I look straight out of the early 2000s. Arrived at the cavern. What's it called? The caverns, is it? It's not a cavern. Whoa! Oh shit! Done?
Knackered.
Shattered and knackered.
Tired.
And wired.
Not wired.
No, I'm not at all. It's complete opposite. It was good fun though. Definitely recommend if you're coming to Northern Wales. Yeah, it's brilliant, but these caves are amazing. You have to keep the helmet on the whole time, obviously, because of things like this. But yeah, brilliant. Zip World, part of Zip World, it's kind of what we did with the zip line the other day. It's the same sort of thing, but just as same sort of company, but it's a bit further away. It's lovely. Oh, it's hot as well, but it's really cold inside the cave. %.
Did you not bring your other camera?
No. Just wanted to film a GoPro video today. Well, it is for a walk through a golf course. It's bloody lovely. Right, we just got some drone footage, right?
What are you telling me? You're just gonna put it in.
True. Well, this could be like, well, it's a vlog style video, isn't it? So
Okay, yeah.
I hope that was cool footage for you to watch. It's a nice, beautiful beach up here. It's gorgeous. I was worried someone was going to come tell me off, but they didn't. So now we're going to head back down. I didn't really go in the water just because, well, it was pretty cold, yeah. Right, so
Take 3.
we're on take 3 on a walk, on a hunt to find a spot where we can put the drone up in the sky. We went on this walk the other day and we saw loads of sheep. It's a nice little walk, you can see from behind me. We just want to see where we can get some drone footage and try not to scare the animals obviously, but just get some cool sheep. Oh look, when you're in Wales, this is what you come across. Lovely. What's that? A butterfly?
No. A butterfly. Why'd you say that?
A butterfly.
A butterfly. No, it's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly. Oh, this is a nice little walk, isn't it?
It is.
So shall I explain to your phone or my camera? So we found this gate. You want to go through?
Sure.
Watch out for the stingy nettles. We don't like that stuff. They're running away from us. There's so much fucking shit here though.
Really hard shit that I just stepped on.
Did you roll your ankle?
No. There he is. Wild Harvey makes a return.
Where's a good spot for takeoff?
Anywhere there's not poop.
So, this is how I fly my drone. First off, it connects to the satellites. We're at 12 satellites right now. Oh no, there's no SD card.
You didn't change it.
No, but there's one in there. I'll take that. See you in a bit. Okay, now the SD card is in here. My camera's been a bit weird, I think. I'm trying to figure out where it is. But we're on about 20 satellites right now, which is very strong. The gimbal is stuck, it says. Hopefully when I start to take it off, it should just go back to normal.
Take off. The home point has been updated.
So we're going to call that a day, we're going to call that a trip. I hope you've enjoyed this Wales series. It's been so fun to make. I can't wait to climb more mountains and do more extreme shit like what we've been doing.
Go watch the other videos because they're good like this one.
Why did you sound like so ill? Like, go watch the other videos. Oi, oi. Yo, can you shut the frick up, dude? What the fuck?
Just wanted to show you all what Harvey's tan currently looks like. Can't even see it very well, but that's okay.
I'm burnt as hell, basically.
Yeah. Got a bit of sun cream on your
Still on my face, yeah, just because I'm really bad at, as you can probably tell in most of my videos when I go away, I get burnt really easily. Yo, don't film the legs. What the hell are you doing, bro? Thanks for watching the videos. Go watch the other videos because they're good like this one.